you'll create a vibrant branding graphic built from radiating vector energy bursts. Start with a bright center point. Use a circular gradient moving from white to a bold color of your choice. Draw multiple long triangular vector rays using the pen tool, each pointing outward like solar spikes. Vary their thickness and length for rhythm. Duplicate and rotate rays until you form a complete 360-degree burst. Apply alternating colors to the rays, warm and cool tones, to form dynamic contrast. Reduce opacity on some rays to create depth between layers. Add tiny dots, mini stripes, and concentric rings around the center to enhance the sense of motion. Place your logo or headline text at the core. Add an outer glowing halo by soft brushing a large circle behind the burst.